We've got our email question of the week. And Jim, a little bit off topic, but still a good one here. Charles wrote us this week, and I saw this email. I thought this was a really good one. He writes, I was badly hurt on my neighbor's property. I live in a small town and don't want everyone to know my business. That is hard to do in a small town. If I hire a lawyer and go to court, will the details be made public? Charles, great question, and it applies to everybody who does one of these. Sure. I liked it because Memorial Day weekend coming up, we're all going to be going into somebody's neighbor's backyard or something. What are your thoughts for Charles?
Hopefully your neighbor's not going to sue you.
Yeah.
But right. Look, a couple things. One, if you talk to an attorney or hire an attorney, is it going to be made public? No. Everything you talk to with an attorney about a case is confidential, it's privileged, and can't be repeated by the attorney and shouldn't be repeated by you. Now, if you file, that's a different matter.
Right.
The filing of a lawsuit is a public record and a public matter. Anybody can go to the courthouse, look it up, pull it, and take a look at that. Now, there's certain instances where sensitive information that may be developed in a lawsuit is subject to a protective order, is what they're called, or a confidentiality order. And in that case, if it's something that you're really concerned about and the court recognizes that it doesn't need to be in the public domain, he'll enter an order and they'll seal that.
Right. And you know, and it's for the best that most of the court proceedings are in the public domain. It's just it's for the best.
The transparency it's a great part of our system, so that I mean, our entire system of government is based on knowing, things not being done in secret.
Although I do appreciate Charles's point of view. I mean, it would be awkward if you're suing your neighbor and then everybody can go read about your business. But it's just something you got to factor in, isn't it, Jim? If you're going to move forward.
And again, consulting with the attorney costs nothing and is never made public. The decision to go forward with a lawsuit is when you really have to sit down and decide whether it's worth it.